I found this really unique trim on Amazon, and when I saw it, I thought I was going to use it in junk journaling and card making, but after I received it, that's not going to work. This is pretty heavy. Like, you can hear that it actually has metal in it, and you know, it's pliable and bends, but it's not something you're going to use for paper crafting. But I could see somebody using this for some kind of an outdoor craft and attaching it to wood to make trims, or maybe stage sets, or something for Halloween or decorating or something like that. But the style is really cool, and this would make a really cool border on something. It just wasn't what I thought it was going to be, but it is very nice quality, and you can see that this does bend and holds its shape really well. It does have a warning on here that there are sharp objects inside. These are sharp, so you do have to be careful using this, and you will need tools to cut this. Like, I don't think, scissors definitely will not cut this, and I don't know if wire cutters will, but you're definitely going to need something heavy duty to cut this.